Wow, what is cranking, wieners? Welcome back to Camp Claw. Today's video is pretty much on par as what Camp Claw is all about. Let me get you up to speed real quick. We've got some boys in town, some guys that you guys probably recognize. Let me introduce you, or reintroduce you, I should say. We've got Griff and Wyatt, the fishing machines, tuna slayers, whatever you want to call them. We were supposed to wake up early this morning and go fish a lake called Moosehead. I think it's one of the biggest lakes in Maine, and we had this really awesome plan that we're gonna go out, catch some small, maybe some toad, camp out on a little island, do a catch and cook. It was a great idea, but I don't know if you guys noticed this, but the RZR is nowhere to be seen. That is because I had the brilliant idea to go for a late night rip at what, around like 2 a.m., something like that. The boys had never been in the RZR before, so I figured we'd break it in a little bit, as that's what we always do. Parrot broke it in, I broke it in. Figured we'd break it in one more time. Seems like a good idea, right? Wrong. Let's lift this up. Two guys lift this up, and two guys try to like put that tire on here.
1, 2, 3, done.
That's actually
Just laying on this.
So
basically, you need to be higher. Holy. I need light grip.
Can't hold this, right? Can you like? Yeah, you guys aren't doing that. Not happening.
Long story short, we went to this little spot on my public ATV trail. We got a little bit too wet. We may or may not have blown a belt, and then also got stuck in the water. So we spent basically, what was it, 3 hours, 2 hours, trying to get this thing unstuck. I've got another side-by-side. I've got the Can-Am 800R. Thing's great. It's got a winch, should be able to get stuff out, but you don't realize, we fully sent it, like fully sent it. And in results, we got my $26,000 RZR Orange Madness in a pickle. In a pickle, that's an understatement, a full-on cucumber. We got it. I blew a belt. I can't, there's no...
You know why I said, like, don't rip it again, let's start in the morning, right? And I said, hey, I'm gonna go inside because I know this shit's gonna happen.
I know.
You see why I brought the camera too?
It's messy. It's messy. All right, I know you're right. Hang on. Here. No, still grab it.
All right, we're in reverse.
You gotta back up and also release more cable at the same time, very slowly.
All right, so got you.
Slow.
Sorry. It's starting to fall. You know.
Gone?
On. We're good.
Just go slow.
No, slack on the winch. It's coming forward. It's coming forward. No, back her up.
We've had a bit of an ordeal, and on top of all that, get this, and on top of all that, I say we as if it was a team effort. It was just myself. I had my key to my 400 in my pocket while trying to get the RZR unstuck, and well, you guessed it, it's now in a puddle covered in mud, and we've completely lost it. So not only do we have a RZR that does not work, that's got a blown belt and is stuck in mud on an ATV trail, which is about 10 miles that way, but we also have a 400 that does not work. Thankfully, we've got the moral support of these two boys, and we're gonna try to make lemonade out of some pretty shitty lemons. What was your perspective on last night? Just like, I mean, because you've never been in it before, you've never been, I took you for a rip first. I blew a tire with you. That wasn't good. Blew a tire for the second time. Yeah. And
Blew a belt
with you. Unreal. The thing is fun. I love it. It's a great tool, but I just, I like to break things apparently. First and foremost, we got one mission ahead of us, and that is to cut that hair off.
I was planning on getting a haircut already,
yeah.
And then we're just cruising by a Walgreens, and Wyatt goes, I should just buy some clippers. So we go in there, we bought some janky ass Barbasol.
Holy moly, cuz. You brought these to Camp Claw, and you want me to cut your hair?
That was the plan.
This isn't my idea. But I mean, I'm tempted now. You brought everything I need. I went to cosmetology school, so this should be
No, you're a cosmetologist.
I'm a cosmetologist. You're in good hands, my friend. You want a fade? You want a 2? You want a 3?
Yeah, fade me up just a little bit.
I can put like a Guggen GS on the side of your head. I don't know if I can. I'll try. Say it, so I don't have to. This is what?
I'm giving consent.
We're cutting his hair. He says it's okay. Are you sure? Yeah. I've actually cut Peric's hair before. I don't want to get rid of...
Just rip it off. Those are like kitchen scissors. I love it.
Oh, they're brutal.
Oh my god.
He has like 2 different sections.
Do you have a girlfriend?
I mean, I will after this.
I was gonna say, after this you do.
Dude, I'm gonna be able to wheel after this.
It actually looks kind of nasty.
What did I do? Mistakes have been made.
You look nasty, bro.
Oh no.
Yeah.
I can see you in, I use Pantene curl, actually.
Take my word on this one. You look a lot better than you did before. Is that awesome?
Literally never cut anyone's hair before.
Wait, so weren't you just telling me about how you cut Perix there?
Oh yeah, sorry, my bad.
Can we test out the cut on some moms later?
What else? What do you think? What? Where else?
You need some off the top.
No, yeah, you gotta keep going. Don't look that bad.
At least now you can't call me Farquad, so that's chill.
I call you Joe Dirt though.
Clean up the sides, but I'm not bad.
Bro, he looks like a cross between Ellie Goulding and Skrillex.
Dude, it's just grabbing. It's just fucking pulling my hair. Not in a good way. Give me the scissors, bro. I'll do this myself.
No. Avatar the Airbender.
I was like,
Oh. That hurts so bad.
he looks like he's about to drop a hot EDM album right now.
Am I looking fresh, John?
Turn out. Oh, gong show number 1. 400 doesn't work, so we're gonna get it towed to a dealership to get a key made. Guess what? It's not cheap.
Put him back right there.
Thank you so much. I don't know why I'm so happy that my truck is on a flatbed, but I'm happy. It's not a good sight, but
Could be worse.
could be worse. Could be totaled. It just doesn't have a key.
How does it feel to no longer be Lord Farquad?
You know, I thought it was gonna be a joke. Like, I thought it was gonna be just, you know, fun and games, but I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm hurting right now.
What is that?
Ask Mr. Snippets himself. That's G Buckets right there. Everyone out there calling me Farquad, it's G Buckets now. So
Go take a shower, man. Go take a shower.
Go clean up, man.
Take 5.
And she's off. Well, if you see a dirty black 4Runner on the road today, on a high lift, on a wrecker, it's mine. A side note, that guy was awesome. I think the company's called Row Towing. Can-do attitude. Never once griped the fact that I couldn't turn the wheel. Never once said, you know, you're out in the middle of the boonies, this is tough. Gave him $100 for his time. You know, times are tough right now for people, so I love that guy's attitude. He was just like, yeah, no problem. I was like, dude, is this gonna work? He's like, yeah, it'll work, no problem. I love it. Okay, now we gotta get the the razor unstuck. This is like step 1 of the biggest cluster I've had in a long time. Well, we're back at the scene of the crime. Take a look at this. Here she is.
Not a good look.
Not a good look at all. And here comes the skid steer. Unreal.
It shreds the size of my head.
That should get us out.
If that can.
So that's what we were trying to do last night, Paul, but we struggled a little bit.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
What we're gonna do is turn this around by hand,
Okay.
and then he'll pull you back through.
You don't reckon it's worth trying to put that belt on? It's right there. Like,
Yeah, but you have the wrenches to take it off.
I do have the torque.
Might as well just take it all the way back.
Okay. Thank you guys. I appreciate this so much. Shout out to Paul and his family. He says, if you guys like corn, they're your folks. Right off 94.
Also cucumber.
And cucumbers.
but there shouldn't.
Why is it running? Oh, because it's idling, I guess.
You're in neutral though, right?
Park.
Park? Yeah, dude, that's
I don't even know if that's a belt, dude.
that can't be a belt because there's nothing in gear. There's nothing in drive.
Was it making that noise last night?
Yeah, it sounded a lot worse.
I mean, it was in the water, so who knows?
It sounds like rocks in there, dude. Like.
Yeah, that's actually sounds like something like rolling around in there.
Yeah, like something bad.
Yeah.
Take it off and look.
That's definitely not.
Are you gonna go see your friends at Bangor Motorsports?
Yep. They love me. They actually hate me. They hate me, but at the same time, I'm a regular. I actually went in today, and I was like, I like always walk in like covered in mud, and I'm like, yeah, I need a new belt. And he's like, didn't even bat an eye. He's like, okay. He's like, it's gonna be X amount of dollars. Doesn't sound like it's it's probably a belt and something else. Yeah, the break-in period, what was it, like 1 mile?
It was supposed to be
2
250 miles.
Oh yeah, okay, cool.
No, 250, miles, yeah. And how many miles does this thing have?
In or out of the water?
Let's say out. Maybe 75.
20.
That's it?
No, way more than that. I don't know, it's probably like 80 something, 70 miles on it. Looks good though, eh?
Yeah, I mean, it looks sweet. Yeah, that's what
it just sits here now. Rye's been so kind. He was supposed to help us out, but we got it out anyway, so he just came for, I guess, moral support for my dumbass. But he's also gonna help me get this thing back on the trailer so we can bring it to Bangor Motorsports, and they can tell me how much of an idiot I am, and then send me a list of things I need to pay for. But I mean, let's be honest. Like, this is why you own things like this. It is expensive. It is, you know, a very big orange regret. But the thing is, you have fun with these things, okay? And sometimes you send it a little too hard, and then you get the bill, and yeah, you just go on with life. You live and you learn. I won't ever do this again. I'll definitely probably do this again.
Yeah, that's what as perfect as it gets.
That's gonna work.
One of you boys lift that up and over. Yeah. All right.
Someone hop in and steer, probably.
That's probably enough.
Right there's good.
Upside down, yeah.
We're gonna go right up. Don't even.
That's good.
Did that fit right in there?
Right.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Let me see that one. Put that one on this side. It's not gonna break those. Straighten up.
It's working straight. So no, wheel. It's good, it's on. It's not going anywhere.
Wait.
We did it. It's teamwork makes the dream work. I take zero credit for this. I take credit for messing things up. The people around me, these folks, Griff, Wyatt, and of course Rye, have helped us out. And then not to mention Paul and his family. If you're watching this video right now and you helped my dumbass out today, thank you. I owe you one. You deserve a claw. Many claws.
Appreciate you helping us out.
No problem. When you're in Maine, this is what you need. You need a redneck to help you out.
Oh, no, but we need a landscaper, right? Just
Yeah, look at this beautiful
casually
lawn,
drop your landscaping company in the video.
Hey, I did mow it once, and I'm pretty sure it looked pretty sick. And then the next video I saw, it was K&M Donuts. So, thanks, John.
Oh,
yeah.
No, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I got straps.
You do?
Good. Yeah.
You just want it.
I might have you. I don't think you can pull it ahead anymore. It looks like it's pretty heavy in the rear.
This is fun, man. This is good bonding. If you're having marriage problems, just get an RZR stuck, and I guarantee you guys will be right back on track. Just shred up those divorce papers.
I'd be doing this for somebody else probably too, so.
Might as well be us.
Might as well be you guys.
Might as well document it. Oh, Johnsontown. What are we fixing this week?
Before winter hits, you're gonna have to get tracks put on this and tracks for the Can-Am.
Yeah. Yeah, I can't wait.
Something just falls off.
Let's get stuck again at Moosehead. I think that's
sick.
we're already anticipating
so
it.
sweet.
Yeah, we'll go back to this clip sometime in February, and we'll be like,
definitely.
we jinxed ourselves, but it's okay.
Yeah. What's that?
Moosehead Slayers. We have little ones now. Tell me But that is not going to crush.
Yeah, they're all
Little quarter ounce. You and Dev tear them up.
I don't want the whole thing.
Yeah, yeah.
3.
Sorry.
No.
Sorry.
No, I'm
See
not
ya.
taking this.
Bye. Take care.
Holy crap. Dude, there's big ones in
Yeah,
there.
yeah. 3/4 ounce too.
Oh my god.
I just came out with those, but
Jesus.
Go crush with Dev.
dude, are you kidding? It's the least I can do.
You don't.
Yeah, but I did.
Well, gang, that is it. Another day up in Maine. Just nothing new here. Appreciate everyone who helped us out today. Yeah, be sure to like the video, subscribe. If you guys like watching us doing stupid shit, be sure to give this video a like and comments, and we appreciate the view. I'm gonna go take a hot shower, and I'll see you guys in the next epi. Thanks so much for watching. As always, folks, keep getting your razor stuck. Never stop.